Friday. Nos cocktail pa awit honor.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. I'm on it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside, snow is falling and friends are gone.
No plania maldad contra bo prójimo. No busca pleito sin motivo contra gente que não recibo nada. Gente sabi ta hereda honor, pero gente bobo ta passa vergüenza.